Hey, how is it all going on, guys? We just crossed 20,000 subs. Thanks a lot for that, guys. You guys are the absolute best. So now, Samsung Galaxy S10. We know that the Galaxy S10 is the 10th anniversary phone for Samsung and they won't miss any chance to make it even more special. And today, I'm here to talk about some special features. No, it's not the in-display fingerprint scanner because we all know that it's going to happen. Today we have something that can potentially change the design of the Galaxy S10. We know that Samsung is going to take the infinity display at a whole new level. Samsung for sure will eliminate the bottom bezel of the Galaxy S10, but new word in the town is that Samsung will also eliminate the earpiece. Yeah guys, that's right, you might not find an earpiece on the Galaxy S10. And why would they do that? Because Samsung is expected to implement a bone conduction tech which vibrates the display itself to produce sounds, just like the original Mi Mix. Remember that?
Yes, this is AMOLED, but also what we're trying to do is get rid of this receiver hole that you speak with, and instead we have a sound vibration coming from right here that vibrates the whole screen. So now the sound when you talk to someone on the phone is coming from the whole screen.
Some other OEMs are also doing this tech, but if Samsung does it, it will be on a much bigger scale and it will be better than everyone else. We also know that Samsung ain't going to implement a notch as they made it so much clear to us by these funny ads. By using this technology, they no more have to make space on the top bezel for the speaker, and that way the display can move a little bit more upwards.
And now by getting rid of the hole, we can extend the screen all the way from top to bottom for a full edge-to-edge screen.
Nice.
And hey, one less hole, so one less way for water to get in and corrode the circuits. The tech on the original Mi Mix was not that good, but if Samsung is doing this, it will be at least as good as the traditional earpiece. The Galaxy S10 is expected to be announced at MWC next year, and if we are lucky, we can see it early at CES. As Samsung is also going to announce the foldable phone, so maybe Galaxy S10 at CES and foldable phone at MWC, or vice versa. So yeah guys, Samsung might eliminate the earpiece, and if we are lucky enough, this could be the Galaxy S10.
Galaxy S10 is going to be now.
Yes.
It's going to be 100%, right?
Yes,
I'm joking.
100%. No, but it is.
It could be.
I think that's what they're going for.
This could be the Galaxy S10, but I'm not betting my money on it. I think Galaxy S10 top bezel will be around this size and no bottom bezel, of course. This is the best design which don't have a notch and also don't have the crazy mechanical camera which can potentially break. So yeah guys, thanks again for 20,000. Keep subscribing for more and I'll catch up with you guys later. Peace out.